Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making Kanafa balls. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients for the Kanafa balls. You will need 1 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of Kanafa colouring, and 454 grams of katafi or shredded dough. For the sugar syrup, you will need 1 cup of white sugar, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water. For the second part, the qashta ingredients, you will need 2 cups of milk, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 2 cups of heavy cream or whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. The first step, you will need to add the sugar in a small saucepan. Add the water, put it on high heat, this is how your Kanafa balls should look like. Serve them up for a nice afternoon dessert and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!